Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to draw a hand with extended fingers as shown from the top side. So this side here. So just choose a vertical base so the fingers are coming down, hand is here. And by the by, we also have several videos that feature anatomy of the hands. Some aspects are revisited and some aspects are seen just from slightly varying angles, because hands are always that dynamic that we always state that with the slightest bend, with the slightest change of angle, things can change in wonderful ways. So that is the essential bell shape, going like that. We have the knuckle set right there. That will be the wrist. And what we'll do is just round that off like that, because when we are doing extended fingers, we have to see that this part's become more or less, or at least like fleshier than the remainder of the hand. We'll put in some guidelines for the fingers just like that. We could even get the thumb out of the way right away. So there's the thumb, and then of course now every hand is different, so we always maintain that doing sausages is a good way of doing this. So 1, 2, adjoining, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3. Essentially in those heights, and then right around those, right where they meet, let's try to get a thicker portion going there, because most hands are at the joint slightly more enlarged in terms of the width. So this is particularly true for more fragile hands, but not necessarily every hand has that aspect. Some hands are a little more fleshy than others, so certain attributes may change going into different poses. And then of course there's that little guy that we are bringing right now, and then we go to the back of the hand, and our sketch is pretty much done now. How big the thumb is, how beefy it is, will all depend on the hand that we are trying to model our sketch on. And essentially in this pose, if it's just a hand that is just fit enough, we will see some veins that are more prevalent. Particularly this one is more prevalent, and a bit of this, sometimes even a bit of this, but usually in a thin enough hand we'll possibly see all of them in one degree or the other. So there is the wrist structure joining it, and of course we put down the nails, and we put down the finger lines around the joints. Just take some time, Google some pictures, and we will find plenty in terms of what can go there. Some skin folds right here, perhaps a hint of the nail, and some finger structure there as well. Sorry, the thumb structure there. So that is essentially the sketch of the hand, and we're just going to round it off with a certain source of light coming from above and casting some tones. So please do check out our other content. We put out videos every day. So there's a video every day, there's new content. So please subscribe, keep in touch. Thank you for watching and have yourself a wonderful day.